So till now, what we have done. So till now, what we have done is we have seen that how we can use the different uh, nodes, which is a microcontroller, different microcontrollers, and how we can connect the sensors with these microcontroller, how we can generate the data from these sensors, and how we can make uh, a particular microcontroller as a gateway node, and how we can send the data to the cloud. Now today, let's go and see another cloud, another very powerful cloud. So yesterday we have seen a cloud which is called ThinkSpeak, and this ThinkSpeak, the upload capability is somehow lacking. But we have another very good cloud platform for wireless and for this IoT network, or for dedicated for IoT, is called Google Firebase. Okay, so you just have to type Google Firebase and you will get this. So this is Google Firebase, and you just go into that particular link, and then you can sign in with your Gmail account. So you doesn't have to sign in like the Firebase, but like the ThinkSpeak. Here in the Firebase, you doesn't have to sign in. You just use your existing Gmail account to open it. Okay. So once you click in this particular site, so you will get many things here. Now, the main thing that we have to talk about is this is for your Gmail account, which is by default that you have. It will come. So just click here. If you want to put another Gmail account, you can do that. Okay. So once you do with the sign in, what you have to do is you have to click on to go to console. So here we have the button go to console. Here we have to click. So I want all of you to do the practical with me today, especially because today we'll do many things. Okay, so first of all, what we are going to do is, meanwhile you can come here in this screen, all of you. So what we'll do here today is, Today we'll see that how we can send the sensor data to the cloud, the Firebase cloud, and how fast it is. That will find it out. What we can do, the programming for that also we can see, and what are the different things that we can do with the Google Firebase. The second thing that we'll see today is very important, is the last component of IoT, which is the user interface, right? So as we know that I have sent you yesterday, when we are sending the data, the humidity and temperature data to the cloud, I have sent you a link which will be open in your browser, right? So if you are using the laptop or you are using the mobile phone, when you click that, it will go and open that public channel in which you can see what data we are sending over there, right? So that is a type of interface you can see. So in the web page. So web page is an interface which you can open with the help of the browser, as well as we can make our own application, own Android or own iOS application. If you want to make application, and with that application you want to interact with these IoT devices, that also you can do very easily. So today, after seeing this Google Firebase, we'll go to the we'll go and see how we can create the apps. Okay, so today we'll see that how we can create the app, because the last component is app component, means the interface component. So one of the interfaces, let's say your web page. One of the interfaces, let's say your messages that we are sending. One of the interfaces, let's say your WhatsApp messages we are sending, or one of the interface maybe a user can use is in the form of application or the mobile application, which is very easier to do. So that we'll see in today's class, and we'll develop 2-3 apps so that you will be familiar with this, and then we'll go and see that how we can monitor anything or any object remotely, as well as how we can control any object or anything remotely. Okay, so am I clear to all of you? Now come to this particular site where I am right now, and click on go to console. So once you click on go to console, you will get the Firebase site, and it will take you to this particular page which says that create a project. Okay. Now, right now you have to create a project, right? So I'll go and create a project. So what I am doing here is, why I'm creating the project is, I want to send the sensor data to the cloud. So for that I am creating the project. Now it is asking for to enter the name of the project. So I'll give the name of the project. You can give any name of the project. Then we'll make it continue. Google Analytics, like your in ThinkSpeak also, we have seen different analytics that has enabled whatever data we'll send. Here also we have some analytics that if you want to choose the default one, it will be enable Google Analytics for this project, or if you want to disable that, you can do. So as I told you, analytics is an important component. Like cloud is attached with the analytics, and a different analytics program we will do to getting the results, right? So this is for that. Then make it continue. Choose or create a Google Analytics account if you want to create a new Google Analytics account. Otherwise, you make it a default one. Then we'll create the project. So you got the procedure, right? First, we'll go to the create project. We'll give some name. You have to give the text. Do not give the special character in between. Then if you want the analytics, you'll choose enable the analytics. If you do not, it is okay. Then we have the default analytics for the Google that is there. You just click the default one and continue. And once you continue, the project will be created, and right now the project is ready. Now I'll make it to continue. So right now my project is ready, and I am going into the project. So this is my project right now.
So the continue button is disabled. The continue button is disabled.
At what time? You have to choose the analytics. Any analytics you choose. That is of you choose the Google one, and then you continue it. Okay.
Parent resource. It is saying select parent resource. It is telling select parent resource.
Okay, so select anything from that, and then continue. Can I show you once again?
Continue button is not coming.
Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So here I am in the first page where I am creating a project. So this page is okay for you, I think.
It's coming, okay.
Now, when I'll give the name, this name should not have any underscore or something. you just give the simple plain text. Now you make it continue. Once you continue, the second step is to choose the analytics. If you want to choose the analytics, it is okay. If you don't want to, so here it is enabled right now. It is enabled right now. Okay, enable Google Analytics for this project. Now I'm making continue.
Continue. No, yes, continue is not coming. Project name I am giving, it is 36 character I am giving. After that, it should I accept the Firebase terms. After that, when I go, this continue button should be enabled, that is disabled.
Okay, so have you signed in with your Gmail account? You just check whether you have signed in with your Gmail account. Otherwise, it should come. Let's say this is the first step where I am giving the project name. I'm making it continue. Once I'll make it continue, this step is coming. The second number step is coming. In my case. So either you are using your, I think you just go to the pure Gmail account where you have @gmail.com. Do not use any company account. Okay, it will come, no problem. You can practice it later on. Now we can make it continue, and after continue, it is asking for selecting the account for your Google Analytics. I'll choose the default one. This is my third step and the last step. And then I'll go to create project.
Okay, no, I give that method. Okay.
Okay, once the project is ready, we'll make it continue. Your project will open. So once your project will open, you can go to the left hand side part. Here you have many things, like you have written here Firebase, project overview is there, for development, many things are there, quality, analytics, grow. What we have to see here is, we have to see here real-time database. As you can see here, real-time database. Okay. Now you can mute yourself. It's making noise. Now we will go to the real-time database. Click on the real-time database here. Once you click on to real-time database, a real-time database will be shown here. Why we need real-time database? See, real-time database is used to take the real-time data that we are sending through our sensors. Now after that, you go to the create database, and here we'll create the database. Real-time database location it is requiring. Okay, you make it. There is two option only, so you make it United States. Put it next. Then is a start in lock mode or start in test mode. So what we do is right now we'll make it to start with the test mode. So just click on to the test mode and then enable it. Getting it? You have to go to the test mode, click on that and enable it. So once you enable with the test mode, your real-time database would be ready for use. So the screen will come where it is showing that real-time database is ready, and that's all. So this setting we have to do before we do something related to our hardware. Now leave this particular part. If you are in this particular window, it is okay. Now leave this particular part and we'll open the program.